Hi, I'm Caroline from the Lowe's Trend team. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and functional outdoor space that you can enjoy with your family this season. We've broken this patio up into 3 basic areas: dining, cooking, and relaxing. First, let's look at the dining space. You'll need an area where the family can eat comfortably al fresco. This set from the Style Selections Elliott Creek collection is a good start. The table and chairs are made with weather-resistant, durable steel frames. Deep-seated cushions are stain and UV-resistant to ensure years of use. Colorful accessories like a striped umbrella, tropical throw pillows, and coordinated planters are cheerful additions. And mixed-matched melamine plates in blues and bright yellow look boho chic. The next stop is the prep area. Your grill master will be excited to have this dedicated spot to create the perfect burger. A Weber Smokefire pellet grill is big enough to feed everyone in your crew. A nearby bar cart holds beverages and grilling tools, while a bench lets the chef and their helpers relax until dinner's ready. And if you want to play board games or just hang out and read a book, this is the ultimate rest stop. Our Elliott Creek conversation set matches the dining table and chairs. It's covered with an arched pergola to provide a shady spot. Blue and green throw pillows, planters, and a dark rug coordinate with the dining and grilling areas, tying all 3 looks together. Turn on the string lights when the sun goes down, and don't forget the citronella candle that'll keep the bugs from biting. Are you ready to make your backyard a happy hangout spot for your family? These items and more can be found at Lowe's.